All right, welcome back on my legendary traders and entrepreneurs. Happy New Year to 2022. This year, I want to make this video about my goals for 2022 and also a recap of my 1 month. So it's been a month since I uploaded. I want to update you guys on my trading and what has changed with trading. I feel there's so much changes to it, but then I want to update you guys so you guys are on track with everything that I'm doing. Okay, so for 2022, the two main areas of my life that I want to focus on is on financial and then my health. Okay, so health is very easy for me. So for health, I want to do at least 3 days of being active. So at least hitting the gym or playing basketball, playing sports at least 3 times a week. And then for financial, Forex, and then YouTube, I want to at least upload 5 videos a week to be able to help you guys and just connect to a wider audience and connect with like-minded people. And then let me see, the Forex goal, I want to be able to double my account at least twice this year. So last year I wanted to aim for 100K in profit, but this year I just want to think of a percentage wise, meaning I just want to be able to gain 200% on my account. So as of right now, my account is a $3,000 account. I'm up 30%. So I hope within a couple months I'll be able to get 100% of my $3,000 account. Then I might be thinking of getting a bigger account, so probably doing a $10,000 account. I did that in 2021, but then it was a little bit, when I traded, there was too much emotions to it when I lost. So that's why if I was able to double my $3,000 account, I'll be more confident with doing the $10,000 account. So 200% of my account for 2022 is my goal. The goal might change. I might be able to do more, do less, but I'll update you guys as it goes on. Okay. So also today I'll be showing you guys the 1 month of trading from December. Well, basically I'll show you guys my December and how I did. Okay. All right. So my December. So basically I have a $3,000 account. So I'm up 10%. Basically, almost $400, but not $400. So I'm up about 10% on my $3,000 account, which if you look at it as in dollar amount wise, it might not be a lot, but 10% monthly, if you think about that, every month, if you're able to do 10%, if you just have a bigger account, like $10,000, $50,000 account, that's $1 to $5,000 profit every month. So my goal is to slowly being able to profit more than just slowly increase my account balance and having a bigger account. And I'm also doing FTMO again. Last Friday, I finally got back to FTMO and I took my first trade, and now I'm up $1,000 on my FTMO. So I need another 9,000 to be able to pass the challenge and then get into the verification. If you guys don't know what FTMO is, it's just a challenge platform where you get funded if you pass the challenge and the verification. So as of right now, I'm starting doing that again. I have 2 accounts, but I'm just going to do one at a time in case one fails. I have the other one to keep going. But yeah, as of December, I'm up 10% of my $3,000 account. So I'm hoping that January will be a good month as well so far for January. So as of January, I'm already up basically another 10%. But like I said, long term wise, I want to just wait until the end of the month to actually make an actual amount, because during the month I can lose one or I can even win more. So as of January 10th of today, I'm up 10% again, basically, and then we'll see how it goes. I'm pretty confident to maybe increase my account size probably once I double my account. So once I profit $3,000, I'm gonna probably deposit probably 5 to 10 grand. If my FTMO is able to make me profit, then whatever profit I bring from FTMO, I'm just gonna probably put into my Forex account and just trade from there. Just compound my money and just keep reinvesting until it's able to have a big lump sum and be able to make a very good living out of it. Okay, so yeah, so far those are my recap for the last month and telling you guys my 2022 goals. If you guys have any goals for 2022 on trading, whatever, business, life, relationships, financial, anything, comment down below. I want to connect with you guys and want to know what you guys' goals are and keep each other accountable. And hopefully this will be the best year of everybody's lives and being able to achieve everything that you've wanted and maybe go harder this year than you have any other year. Okay. So if you guys have any questions, comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe. I'll be posting videos. My goal is to do 5 a week. So yeah, stay tuned and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.